Okay, so just got my Vega in the post. Pretty well wrapped. Good old lady from Yodel. So let's get it open and see what we got. It's always interesting trying to do these things with one hand whilst you're filming. Maybe it's time to get a tripod. I thought I'd come outside as well because, well, it's busy inside and it's nice to stay out. And here we go, look at that. 1,000 preloaded classic games. Okay, look at that box. So here it is. My Spectrum Vega. Look at that. Made in the UK. Kind of reminds me of when I first got my ZX81 many moons ago, and also my Spectrum. So let's open it and have a look-see. First thing on the box, limited edition, second production run. Okay, open it up. Instruction book. As we all know, all the blokes know, we'll read that later. And the actual device. Alright. It all comes in one. And this is it. Handheld console. Your Spectrum stripe. They added 4 little function buttons on, as opposed to the original design, which is all pretty cool. Yeah, it's even got the old smooth plastic on the front. Interesting. Rubber keys. In part 2, I'll be plugging it in and seeing what it's like. Let's see if we can open this up. One-handed. Wouldn't advise doing this to most people. You've got to have a sharp knife set. Okay, if we take the bubble wrap off. And connections, right. We have standard USB 2, looks like. Pretty good. And then the business end, connections into your TV. You've got the red and the white for audio, and the obligatory yellow video port. So, all in all, looking forward to getting this kiddie up and running. Good old Vega. Nothing underneath, is there? Oh, here we go. What have I missed? Alright, 5 volts. That's going to be quite handy actually. Show you what that does. And a quick look at the instructions. I'm going to have a look at these in more detail later. But essentially, yeah. Setting it up, playing the game, choosing games. Plugging it in. Yeah. All seems pretty straightforward. Yeah, okay. Well, enough of that, and more of this. Right. So I will plug this in, get it all fired up, and you need to go to part 2.